Here's something to think about, an explanation, a free gift, and a solution in less than 5 minutes. How to make change and how to get the results you want in your life, business, and relations. Success in business as in life is 95% mindset and only 5% strategy. We think it's about knowledge, strategies, and plans, but it isn't. With the exception of attraction, results are about action. And our subconscious mind and the paradigm is controlling the most of our actions. That is why most conventional change management, consulting, coaching, and therapeutical methods are insufficient. That is why and where we have to give up as individuals, leaders, and entrepreneurs. It is just like Peter Drucker said, culture eats strategy for breakfast. You can have all the knowledge, strategies, and beautiful plans you want, but when people meet up at work the next morning, their habits and actions will be the same. So if you don't change the inside and yourself, nothing will really change on the outside. Here's an explanation, some really good news, and fantastic Black Week offers. The distance between the life you have and the life you want is only 6 inches. It's the distance between your ears. It's all about mindset. The conditioning and programming of your paradigm takes place after birth and becomes the precursor for the rest of your life. If you don't succeed with radical or permanent change, it's because of the paradigm. The mental program basically runs your higher mental faculties and habitual behavior. And almost all behavior is habitual. To get change and results, you got to go to the primary cause, the paradigm. Behavior is only a secondary cause. There's not a second to waste. You're paying for life with life, so here's a free gift and an exercise. There's nothing wrong with strategies and plans. You also just have to change the inside of yourself, relations, and team. You need to think, feel, be, and do differently to get different results. So according to your new goals and strategies, how do you need to think differently? What kind of self-image and level of confidence do you need? And what do you need to feel on the inside so you comfortably can take the right action? Post it in the chat. I really want to help, hear about it, and celebrate you. Stay connected because soon we will start to launch free masterclasses. And by the way, we do have that line-changing program. It's called Thinking into Results. And right now, because of Black Friday, we have some real good offers on our Thinking into Results program and our 3-month laser coaching package. Thanks for all your likes, comments, sharing, and subscription. It helps me to help more. Now, take it to the next level and contact us for a free talk. These talks have changed many people's lives overnight, and they cost you nothing. We simply have a system that works. Success is not a secret, it's a system. And I would love for you to have that system and work in harmony with the natural laws of the universe. So if you do that and connect to your higher side, everything becomes possible. If you want to know how, then just call me now. My name is Kasper Larsen, and I'm here to help you shift your mental paradigm and master your thinking, so you can get full spectrum success, prosperity, and a fulfilling life. Personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. I wish you a beautiful and successful day, presence, peace, and prosperity. And remember, be the energy of your wish fulfilled. You might as well create the reality you want and manifest the good that you desire. Keep up the good work.